Exploring the Andromeda Galaxy, a marvel of the universe. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is a majestic spiral galaxy that has captivated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. Located approximately 2.537 million light-years away from Earth, Andromeda is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way and is part of the Local Group, a collection of galaxies that includes our own and several other smaller galaxies. In this Article 1e, we will delve into the fascinating features, history, and significance of the Andromeda Galaxy, discovery and observation. The Andromeda Galaxy has been observed and documented by astronomers for thousands of years. However, it was the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi who first described it in his writings in the 10th century. Al-Sufi referred to it as a small cloud in the constellation of Andromeda. It wasn't until the 18th century that the true nature of the object was understood when the French astronomer Charles Messier included it as the 31st entry in his famous catalogue of astronomical objects, structure and characteristics. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, similar in shape to our Milky Way, but it is larger in size. It spans an estimated diameter of about 220,000 light-years, making it approximately 2.5 times larger than the Milky Way. The galaxy is composed of billions of stars, gas, dust, and other celestial matter. It has a prominent central bulge surrounded by spiral arms that extend outward from its core. One of the remarkable features of the Andromeda Galaxy is its high rate of star formation. It hosts numerous young and massive star clusters, as well as regions of active star formation, known as HII regions. These regions are characterized by the presence of ionized hydrogen gas, which emits a distinctive red glow when excited by the intense radiation from newly formed stars. Interaction with the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are on a collision course. Over the course of billions of years, the gravitational attraction between these two galaxies will cause them to merge and form a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkomeda Galaxy. This cosmic event is expected to occur in about 4 billion years, and it will fundamentally reshape both galaxies. Scientists have studied the dynamics of this interaction using computer simulations and observations. The merger will trigger a burst of star formation, as gas and dust from both galaxies collide and interact. The gravitational forces will cause the spiral arms to warp and distort, leading to the formation of new structures. Eventually, the merged galaxy will settle into a larger elliptical galaxy. Andromeda beyond visible light. While visible light observations have provided us with valuable insights into the Andromeda Galaxy, astronomers have also explored it using other wavelengths of light. Radio telescopes have detected radio emissions from Andromeda, revealing the presence of cosmic rays and magnetic fields. X-ray and gamma-ray observations have unveiled high-energy phenomena, such as black holes, supernova remnants, and active galactic nuclei within the galaxy. Studying Andromeda aids our understanding of galaxy formation, evolution, and the dynamics of supermassive black holes residing at galactic centers. Additionally, it provides a valuable benchmark for comparing and contrasting with our own galaxy, the Milky Way. The main characteristics of Andromeda Galaxy. 1. Distance and size. The Andromeda Galaxy is located about 2.537 million light-years away from Earth, making it the closest spiral galaxy to us. It is estimated to contain around 1 trillion stars, which is roughly twice the number of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. 2. Galactic halo. Surrounding the main disk of the Andromeda Galaxy is a vast halo of stars, globular clusters, and dark matter. The halo extends to great distances and is thought to contain remnants of smaller galaxies that have been absorbed by Andromeda over its long history. 3. Spiral arms and dust lanes. Like many spiral galaxies, Andromeda has distinct spiral arms that wrap around its central bulge. These arms are composed of stars, gas, and dust. Dark dust lanes can be observed within the spiral arms, which are rich in interstellar matter and serve as sites for future star formation. 4. Satellite galaxies. Andromeda is surrounded by numerous satellite galaxies. Similar to how the Milky Way has its own satellite galaxies such as the Magellanic Clouds. Notable satellite galaxies of Andromeda include M32 and M110, which are visible in telescopes as small companion galaxies. 5. Black hole at the center. Like many galaxies, Andromeda is believed to have a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole, known as Andromeda's nucleus or M31*, has a mass estimated to be about 140 million times that of our Sunday 6. Andromeda's disk and bulge. The disk of the Andromeda Galaxy is surrounded by a central bulge of stars. The bulge is more elongated and vertically extended compared to the bulge of the Milky Way. Understanding the structure and dynamics of the bulge provides insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies. 7. Supernova explosions. Andromeda has been a prolific producer of supernovae, which are powerful stellar explosions that mark the end stages of massive stars. Over the past century, several supernovae have been observed in Andromeda, including the famous supernova 1885A, which was the first supernova discovered outside the Milky Way. 8. The Great Andromeda Nebula. Before the true nature of Andromeda was understood, it was often referred to as the Great Andromeda Nebula due to its diffuse appearance. The term nebula was commonly used in the past to describe any fuzzy celestial object. It was only in the early 20th century that the true galactic nature of Andromeda was confirmed. 9. Visual magnitude. Andromeda is visible to the naked eye under dark sky conditions. It has a visual magnitude of around 3.4, making it one of the brightest deep sky objects in the night sky. It appears as a hazy oval-shaped patch of light. 10. Andromeda in mythology. The name Andromeda comes from Greek mythology. Andromeda was a princess who, according to the myth, was chained to a rock as a sacrifice to a sea monster. She was eventually rescued by the hero Perseus. The constellation of Andromeda, as well as the galaxy, were named after this mythological character. The Andromeda Galaxy, with its grand spiral structure, remarkable star-forming regions, and impending collision with the Milky Way, continues to intrigue scientists and enthusiasts alike. Its study provides valuable insights into the nature and evolution of galaxies, shedding light on the cosmic processes that shape our universe. As our knowledge and technology advance, we can look forward to further unraveling the mysteries of this extraordinary galactic neighbor. The Andromeda Galaxy continues to be a subject of intensive study, and ongoing research missions and telescopic observations are providing scientists with a deeper understanding of its structure, dynamics, and evolutionary history.